Hey, it's Haul Pros Free Marketplace once again, bringing you amazing items from jobs we complete, from property cleanouts, junk removal jobs. And we make these items completely for free to our Orange County neighbors. Instead of us contributing to for-profit donation centers or ending up in our landfills, we give them directly for free to our Orange County community members. Today we offer you this Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 camera. It is in used condition and appears to be working perfectly fine. You push this button here to extend the lens. As you can see, it already turned on the light there. The camera comes with batteries, but it does not include the film. It appears to be in good working used condition. If you are interested, you can go ahead and claim this on our Haul Pros Free Marketplace. It's completely free. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for your support.